this is the portal, Databrackets portal platform. That's what we use to do assessment on different standards, technologies, and stuff. So as you could see here, 800-171 is the one that we are going to be doing assessment. So let me start from the beginning. So as you could see here, so you will fill out the site details, like you could probably do it for multiple sites or just for one site, and then add all the participants, and then manage their privileges and stuff here, and then get into the next section where all these 14 different families that I was talking to you about is all listed in here. The access control, the awareness training, these are the different families that I was talking to you about. So each of those families have several requirements. All of them are under this particular one. Right. So what you will do is you will start off with, if you want to learn more about how this access control is applicable for you or not, so you could do that. Some cases, actually, we are making this mandatory for all the in 800-171 because people, the customers need to go through pretty much everything. And then, like, if you want to add some special notes and stuff, you should be able to add that here. And then let's go into one of the families that is listed here, which is let's start from the first one, which is 311, limit the system access to authorized users, process acting on behalf of the authorized users and stuff. So you have the description, the family description and stuff. So based on how you are organized with respect to your systems and things, there we will be referring to the 800-171A for the testing examination methods and approaches. And then let's say we determine that you have a process to limit the system access to all the users, and administration controls are only with selected a few, and then like you have the approval process, and then termination procedures and all and whatnots. Then what we do is, like, we go ahead and mark this as implemented here. And then, like, all the observations and other things that are reviewed as part of this one is updated here. With the auditors or the consultants detail, and then like any files that are associated with it, we will go ahead and upload it here. And also there are, as I mentioned, NIST 800-171 is cross mapped with several other standards and guidelines. So we have them all listed here. Like if you want this to be printed along with the report, definitely have an option to do that. So you will pretty much go through each one of this thing. As I mentioned earlier, there are about 110 or so requirements in here. So you'll go through each one of them. You will upload all the required documents and other stuff. And then another thing is, like, the platform is done in a basically designed for more collaborations and stuff. As you could see here, you can add comments, and the person who is uploading the evidences and stuff, so they could also upload the evidences and then add their comments. So that way, like, we make it like kind of collaborative and have all the records and stuff to track. So once all these things are done, then like you will essentially go to the action plan section. Essentially, there is nothing that is failed. So I'm going to say this one is not implemented. I'm going to say in progress, and then go to the action plan. So what happens is, in the action plan, basically you will get the section. Now you have the action plan. So you have this particular 312, the one that I marked as in progress. So it has the detail on why it is it's in progress, why it's not implemented, and then I'm going to prioritize that, whether it's a high, medium, or low priority. And then like so as you could see here, the question score will pop up here. Because this is the score according to DOD. So we have the question score here. If you think like this question score is not applicable for you, you could make it to 0 or like maybe 1, because some of these conditions doesn't apply for you. And then like you are going to mention here in terms of how you are planning on mitigating this. What is your mitigation steps, compensating controls and whatnot. And also you can alternatively assign this task to one of your organization members, and that way, like, they get notifications and stuff. So you will go through the whole thing, and then like automatically executive summary pops up. You can update it if you want to, and then if you go here, like the score for this one is 109 because that particular question has failed. So out of 110, they've got 100 and thing 109, and then you do have all the details in here, and then like you could generate the report in a PDF, Excel, or Word format. And then once you generate the report, this is something that you will be able to even provide that to your DFARS supplier system, right, where you will upload the reports and stuff. So that's the way it works.
For more information, click on the link below or visit databrackets.com.